Hazard Awareness, Signs and Signals Part 2. This video covers amber flashing beacon vehicles, school crossing warning lights, traffic light failure at a junction, parking on a zebra crossing. Here's a question you might know the answer to, Junior. What do amber flashing beacons on a vehicle mean?
Ooh, it's slow moving.
That's right. It could be a disabled person's vehicle or another slow moving vehicle. You need to give them space and slow down as you pass them. When approaching a slow moving vehicle on a motorway, you might see this sign on the back of it. What do you think you need to do in this situation?
Pass the vehicle on the left?
Yes, that's right. You might see this if it's a highway maintenance vehicle. Right, do either of you know what these warning lights mean?
Oh, I know. I've seen them somewhere, but can't think where or what they were for.
There are lights like this outside Rosie's old school, but I don't know what they're for exactly.
These lights warn of a school crossing, so what's the next thing you'd expect to see?
A lollipop man or lady?
That's right. So where you see these lights in operation, you need to be wary that children are around and that a lollipop man or lady may stop the traffic to allow them to cross. As you can see, lights can be very useful, but what should you do if you arrive at a crossroads and the traffic lights aren't working?
I guess you would treat it like unmarked crossroads, meaning no one has priority. The fact that there are traffic lights, though, means it's probably a busy junction, so you'll have to slow down and proceed with caution.
Well, I have taught you well. That's excellent, Ben. Sometimes in the event of a traffic light failure, you'll find that the police get involved to manage the traffic by using arm signals. This shows that they are asking traffic in front of them and behind to stop. When you're able to go, they'll beckon you forward.
Before I started my theory, I don't think I realised how much the police actually do on the roads.
Yes, they do undertake a lot of tasks. Right, what can you see wrong in this situation?
The car is probably parked too closely to the zebra crossing. If I was crossing, I wouldn't be able to see oncoming vehicles and they wouldn't be able to see me. I'm so short.
Oh, Junior, you'll be taller soon enough, but yes, you're right. This car should not be parked where it is. The zigzag lines must be kept clear at all times to allow pedestrians to see and be seen. Right, shall we go for a drive rather than being cooped up in here for even longer?
Yes, let's do it!
Ben, you can drive. Let's quickly recap though. Amber flashing beacon vehicles tend to be slow moving. You need to give them space and slow down when passing them. If you see this sign on the back of a vehicle, pass the vehicle on the left. School crossing warning lights. Be wary of children. Be aware as a lollipop man or lady may stop the traffic for children to cross. Traffic light failure. Police may get involved and use arm signals. Parking on a zebra crossing. The zigzag lines must be kept clear at all times to allow pedestrians to see and be seen.